So I got a notification telling me my packages were lost. And I was just about to go off because they couldn't find it. But both of them came into the mail, so I'm gonna unbox them and show y'all what I got. Let's get into it. What's good, squad? It's your girl Sunny, and I'm back with another video. And we are doing an unboxing today because my packages that were quote unquote lost are finally here, and I am super excited to see my stuff. But before I go ahead and show y'all what I got, let me just show y'all the disrespect that either UPS, FedEx, I don't know, whoever delivered my box, disrespect. Look at my box. Just look at my box. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? Like you just stepped on it, laid on it, and like you just threw it, whatever, tossed it. Like nothing better be missing. This thing is open. This box is open. Nothing better be missing. I promise. It's gonna be World War III. It's something missing. But before I tear open this box and show y'all what I got, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that way you can be a part of the squad. And while you're at it, go ahead and click that bell notification too so that way you will be notified when I post a new video. And let's get in tune. So I did buy me some sweater dresses. I think about two. Yeah, I bought two sweater dresses. This is the first one. It's in a lilac color. So I've learned my lesson from Fashion Nova dresses. I think I have anyway to get, to get dresses in a bigger size than I normally would because I've bought dresses that are my size and they don't fit. So I'm praying and hoping that these actually fit. Here is the other one. This is gray. I don't know why my eyes trying to show me the screen. So we did get a gray one. We did a gray. Then your girl, you know, y'all know the girl is thick. See it? Damn! She thick. The girl's thick. So, I had to buy me some new jeans. I literally have maybe like 3 pair of jeans I really have that I can wear. So, we bought 3 pairs of jeans. We'll be trying those on. Okay. And then another bag came, but I don't know if I want to show y'all this because this is one of 2 Halloween costumes. That's right, your girl got 2 Halloween costumes. But the only reason why I have 2 Halloween costumes is because one is really for work because it's work appropriate because I actually have to work on Halloween, and the other one is for not work. Comment down below what you think I'm going to be for Halloween. If you can figure out what I'm going to do for the Fashion Nova Halloween costume, if you guess right, I will cash app you $20. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let me go ahead and try this stuff on and show y'all how I look. Okay, so first I try on the lilac sweater dress. It's getting very warm. Curving the body very nicely. I had on some shorts just in case the dress was too short because you know Fashion Nova be on that, but you know this one actually kind of fitting right. Like, you know what I'm saying, like it's not too short. Like it's short, but it ain't too short, you know. Like, but I'm feeling it, you know, gotta see. Let me test it out real quick. Like, hey, look at that. Okay, see, I get a little low. You know, I probably ain't go too low though, you know, just that's probably about, wait, try one more time. Okay, it's passing the test. It's giving. See, this is what I was talking about. I knew Fashion Nova was gonna give me at least once. This is not a sweater dress. This is a sweater. See, I knew it. This is why I put the shorts on. But you know, the strings on the side, this high up, it's very cute. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It's giving what's supposed to give, so that's fine. You know, I can still pull it off. But look at that. Look, it's even coming up the cheeks. Like, definitely a sweater. Definitely took my L on this one, but not really because it's still cute, you know. Do what we gotta do. Okay. Ooh, cause she thick. Thick. Hey, look at that. Ooh, that girl thick though. Ooh, yes. Fashion Nova doing what it's supposed to do.
The only jeans that fit me. Come on now. Okay. You know what I'm saying? It was a struggle. I ain't gonna lie though. I don't know why I can get them things on. Like, see, look at that. I couldn't even squat. Look at that. The squat test was a struggle. Ooh, but it don't matter though because she thick. Look at that. Can you have my knees up? I don't care though. That I still look good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Little dance. Hey. Okay. So this one was a little bit better, but ooh, she got a dunk. Oh, she got a dunk. Hey, she got a dunk. Okay, I'm sorry. But I mean, just look though, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, this one too was still a struggle, but I can move it better. See that? Look at the knees. I can do it better. Look at that. Ooh, look at that squat test. You saw that squat test? Like, girl, come on. Y'all can't even play with me though. You know what I'm saying? Like, it definitely gave. But ooh, that dog real though. Look at that dog. Hey. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. These was my favorite pair because it came on so easily. Like, ooh, shawty got a big old butt. Oh yeah. Ooh, shawty got a big old butt. Hey. Drop this to the front. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't help it. Look at that. Look at that. Easy high knees. You know what I'm saying? The comfort was real on these. Like, come on now. Y'all see the donk though. Y'all see the booty over there. Look at that. So a little jiggle. Ooh, a little wiggle, jiggle. Ooh, look at that. Come on, look at that. The squat test passed with flying colors. Like, one more time. Hey. Okay, yes. These are the jeans y'all need to get. Any jeans you get, it's them. Them the one. Okay? Trust me. Hey, all my birds of sunshine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below what you think my Halloween costume is going to be. Also, if you haven't seen my last video, what are you waiting for? Go check that out. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!